Now, whether you're aiming for a stronger immune system, improved digestion, or just an overall boost in energy, the key is in the food we eat. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, we've got the powerhouse of good fats, the avocado, packed with essential nutrients and monounsaturated fats. This green gem is a must-have for your heart health and glowing skin. And speaking of greens, incorporating leafy vegetables like kale and spinach into your daily diet can do wonders for your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the magic of stir-frying. Not only does it retain the nutrients of the veggies, but it also adds a burst of flavors to your meals. A quick, easy, and delicious way to get those vitamins and minerals on your plate. And for all the smoothie lovers out there, we've got a treat for you. Check out this refreshing blend of berries, bananas, and a splash of almond milk. It's not just a tasty treat but a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Perfect for an on-the-go energy boost or post-workout recovery. And remember, folks, when it comes to snacking, why not indulge in nature's candy? Fruits are not only sweet and satisfying but also loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. So, ditch the chips and dive into this rainbow of natural goodness. And there you have it, my friends. The secret to a happier, healthier you lies in the vibrant world of nutrition. So, let's make a promise to our bodies today. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Cheers to good health.